This is a dark fire that glows in the dark.
It says it has LED lights, so it lights up.
LED lights.
It says ages 14 plus. Are you 14?
Yes.
You are? You're 4. So you're one of those letters.
Yeah.
Is that good enough? Okay.
Good enough.
So this is the Veken, it looks like. V-E-K-E-N. Veken.
Veken is a
4-channel.
word. So don't tell your kids.
The Veken quadricopter drone. The auto hovering, 1 key return, 7 minutes max flight time, I believe. It does stunts, has a headless mode, speed toggle switch. So we're going to open this up and see what it is.
Ooh! Spin around. And it comes with this.
Yeah, it's the remote. Okay. There's the instruction manual. Oh, there's something else in the bottom here. This looks like there's 3 AAA batteries, and it looks to be a rechargeable battery, as well as some spare propellers and a screwdriver.
And here's the remote control. You can move it any way you like. And it comes with these, the buttons. You can move it somewhere else, and you can control it. What's this?
A rechargeable battery.
Yeah, the
The
rechargeable
USB charger.
battery.
4 spare propellers. A tiny screwdriver. And 3 AAA batteries.
And controlling it. There. Controlling you again.
Usually the hardest thing about these quadricopters is actually getting the control down. So the hover and the...
Hey!
Well, we need to put the batteries in it. Oh, and you need a screwdriver in order to open the battery drawer.
3 AAA batteries. There will be 2 fun cents. And you can buy one like me.
There's another battery inside the quadricopter that wasn't plugged in, so make sure that you open it before you try flying it. So that's...
Yeah, open it before you try flying it.
So there's 2 batteries for the quadricopter that are rechargeable. It's good to have more than one, just in case.
More than one. Just in case. It's not working.
There are 2 on switches. One is on the body of the quadricopter, and one is on the controller. Okay, so lights up.
Yeah, it lights up.
Do you want to turn off the light so we can see how well it lights up?
Oh, yeah.
So there's the quadricopter. You can see the green is the front, and the blue is the rear.
The blue is the rear. Go on.
By pressing this button, you can change the speed mode of the quadricopter, so how fast it goes. So 1 beat means it's easy.
Yeah.
That means it's intermediate. That means it's advanced. I'm going to start it on easy because we want to make sure that we're doing okay here. There's a lot of buttons on the face, so we're going to have to...
Read the instruction first. I'm sorry, run away. We know that it works.
Yeah. So this is how you go up and down.
This is how
This
you
is
go
also how you go left and right.
forward.
This is how, you sideward fly. So this is the turn, and this is the sideward fly.
Can I have it? You can let it fly into the air. Isn't that amazing? Come back here.
See if I can bring this back to us.
That's cool. That was cool.
Yeah, so it creates a little bit of wind there.
Yeah, quite a bit of wind. Sorry, everybody.
Okay. So. Let's see. Okay.
It crashed a little bit. It's okay.
I like it. I like the bumpers. It seems to randomly kind of get off track and just fly off, but that's probably more operator's error than the actual device. I really like the LEDs. That's a nice touch.
Try again.
So overall, this is a good drone for what it is. Has a lot of steering options. Comes with different batteries, so hopefully it'll last a little bit. And it has LEDs, which is definitely a plus.
LEDs.
You good? You like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to say about it?
It has these lights and these propellers that I like, and it flies.